inequality that represents the statement the distance between y and L. Now first off, distance can be represented by an absolute value. So the distance between y and L would be the absolute value of y minus L is then less than epsilon. Now when we took this distance between y and L, we don't know which is larger. So we do have the option of writing this as the absolute value of L minus y is less than epsilon. Part A, if x represents the exact weight, write an absolute value inequality that represents an interval to estimate x. We want the box to differ by no more than 5 ounces. It's allowed to differ by 5 ounces, which means we can have an equation there. So we're going to have the absolute value of x minus 16 differ by subtracting less than or equal to 0.5. And since we don't know which is larger, we do have the option of having the absolute value of 16 minus x less than or equal to 0.5. Either one of those is acceptable. Now we want to solve this inequality in the next part. So since it's an absolute value with a less than, we're going to write this as a compound inequality. Negative 0.5 is less than x minus 16 is less than positive 0.5. And we want to add 16 to the left, middle, and right, and that will give us 15.5 is less than x is less than 16.5. It asks us to interpret the inequality, and basically this means that the boxes of cereal vary in weight between 15.5 ounces and 16.5 ounces. And I'm just noticing I forgot to include my equal signs, so comma inclusive.